Venkata Sindhu, also known as PV Sindhu, is one of the most decorated Indian athlete of all times. She is the only Indian woman to win 2 Olympic medals. So let's welcome Queen of Badminton and Champion of Badminton, PV Sindhu, escorted by Jahnavi. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. With me this evening is badminton queen Pusalla Venkata Sindhu, popularly known as PV Sindhu, greatest Indian badminton player. Ma'am, number of wins, winner of Commonwealth Games, holds World Federation Championships, and first Indian to win 2 Olympic medals. Ma'am, so many awards, so many rewards. Where do you see yourself?
Thank you, Jahnavi, for your kind appreciation. The route to this success was not easy. I used to travel a distance of 56 kilometers to become a good badminton player. I worked relentlessly to get these numerous accolades and achievements. I used to get up 4 a.m. at age 8, showcasing sacrifices and to achieve success.
You are a precious example for next generation. Your journey is a shining example to achieve the top with determination and bringing glory and medals to our country. Sindhu Garu, what is success mantra behind you?
See, I don't act like a champion. I work hard to become a champion. Whenever I get gratitude, encouragement, heartfelt posts, I am touched by the inspiring words. You know, Jahnavi, the greatest assist is a strong mind. If you don't enjoy what you do, then there is no point of doing that.
That's very impressive and interesting to talk to you. Ma'am, you're titled with so many awards. Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award, Champions of Change Telangana, and many, many more. You're also youngest Indian woman to win an Olympic silver medal and first Indian woman to win World Champion gold medal. How do you feel when you're honored with all sporting awards?
It's always pride that I am a champion of champions. Your dreams are what you define your individuality, and they have the power to give you wings and make you fly high. One of my greatest competitor in my life was Carolina Marin. Your defeats is your stepping stone of success.
That's exactly very true. Tell me, PV Sindhu Garu, your favorite food, actor, dress, and destination.
As a Hyderabadi girl, I like Hyderabadi biryani. I love eating ice creams. I love watching Deepika Padukone's movie. My favorite pan-India actors are Mahesh Babu, Prabhas, Dulquer Salman. My favorite movies are O Kanmani and Fighter, movie of Hrithik Roshan. I love wearing saris and designer lehengas.
Tell me something about your hobbies.
I enjoy sketching art, painting and spending time with family. I was also a guest in Kaun Banega Crorepati where star of the millennium Amitabh Bachchan invited me. Whatever money I earned at KBC, I gave it to cancer patients who deserve a lot. Before going to play, I pray and shout to pump and encourage myself to defeat the opponent. And also I take a divine blessings from Mother Earth.
Tell me something about your education.
I have completed a Bachelor of Commerce BCom and a Master of Business Administration MBA from St. Anne's College for Women in Hyderabad and also holds honorary doctorate from Chennai Wells University.
What are your future plans and tournaments?
I will continue to play badminton for next years with the 2028 Los Angeles Olympic as a goal and also focusing on upcoming tournaments
కోరికలు ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా? మీరు ప్రపంచానికి ఏదైనా సందేశం ఇవ్వాలని కోరుకుంటున్నారా?
ప్రతి అమ్మాయికి నెరవేరని కోరికలు ఉంటాయి, అలాగే నాకు ఉన్నాయి. నిజమైన విజయం అనేది మీ లక్ష్యాలను సాధించే ప్రయాణంలోనే ఉంది. ఎదిగే ప్రతి మెట్టు న్యాయంగా ఎదగాలి. మీరు గెలిచినా ఓడినా మీ శ్రమకు విలువ ఉంది. మీరు ఒక మొక్కను పెంచినట్లే మీ లక్ష్య సాధనను కూడా పెంచాలి, లేదా కల్ప మొక్కలు చెడు ఆలోచనలు అవుతాయి. సో ఎవ్రీబడీస్ లైఫ్ ఇస్ లైక్ దిస్. Follow a disciplined and a mannered life.
Any questions from the audience?
Gifted with very good badminton skills, and often we see you doing a lot of noble work, and you are an inspiration to young girls. How do you manage all these things? Thank you, Jayatri. My badminton skills are of course godly gifted, but I do with an intense hard work. Regarding my noble work, I have very good understanding with young girls. Thank you, P.V. Sindhu girl. Thank you. Thank you. You are welcome.
Rai Bachchan won the Miss World in 1994 pageant and later established herself as one of the most popular celebrities in India. ऐश करती है दुनिया पर। मिस इंडिया का सरताज हारने के बाद कब्जा किया है मिस वर्ल्ड का सरताज। नाम है इसका ऐश्वर्या राय बच्चन। So let's welcome ऐश्वर्या राय बच्चन, escorted by Pravalika. Right now, I am sitting with Miss World pageant winner 1994, runners-up of Femina Miss India, one of the most popular celebrities in India, awarded Padma Shri by the Government of India in 2009 by French authorities, Ambassador of France to India. So, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, you are known for mesmerizing beauty, versatility and talent. How do you feel after getting so much of global attention?
Thank you, Pravalika, for inviting me. It's always a proud feeling after getting numerous accolades. It all started while I was sitting in a beauty parlor, and one of the ladies sitting there, she told me that I have hazel blue eyes. Why don't you try modeling? So I started modeling and advertisements, which got me into the limelight.
How did you enter into cinema world?
It all started with a Tamil film in 1997. Maniratnam gave me opening, then I entered into Bollywood in 1997. Movies like Tal and Devdas.
Aishwarya, do you know how many titles you hold?
I know, I am the first Indian female to be immortalized in wax. World famous Madame Tussauds Wax Museum in London.
Wow, that's great. I also have a list as you are the 100 most influential people in the world today and praise numerous covers worldwide. What was the turning point in your life?
I was born on 1st November 1973, Mangalore, Karnataka, to a Zulu-speaking family to Krishnaraj Rai and Vrunda Rai. I completed my studies in Mumbai, completed my architecture, and one of the professors in the college suggested me to go for a photo cover shot and modeling. This was the turning point in my life.
What was the one question which you answered and it was turning point in your life?
I was asked, what is the essence of life? My answer was, the essence of life is loving everybody, caring everybody, and sharing everybody. I think I'm a bit lucky and blessed by God.
How do you feel when a lot of people compliment you?
I feel very happy after getting profound recognition. I thank each and everyone for encouraging me and every time caring about me.
In how many films you have appeared?
I have appeared in 48 films in 5 languages.
What about your car collection?
I own Rolls-Royce Ghost, Audi A8, Mercedes-Benz 350 D-Coupe, Mercedes-Benz 500, and I have Porsche Cayman sports car.
Tell me about your favorite color, dish, movie, favorite singer, and tell me about your elder brother Aditya Rai.
Firstly, my brother Aditya Rai is married and I am extremely close to my brother. As you said, my favorite movie, Hum Dil Dil Chuke Sanam and Tar. As a South Indian, I like all South Indian dishes and my favorite is Mangalorean chicken curry with boiled rice. I am a very big fan of Queen of Melody, Lata Mangeshkar.
Last one question to Miss World winner Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. What is your thought on beauty?
The beauty of a woman must be seen from her eyes because that is the doorway to her heart, the place where love resides. हर एक चीज में खूबसूरती होती है, लेकिन हर कोई उसे नहीं देख पाते.
Any questions from the audience?
ऐश्वर्या राय बच्चन मैडम, हमारे घर में टेलीविजन रिमोट कंट्रोल को ऐसे ऐसे कर यूज करते हैं. क्या आपके घर में भी ऐसा होता है क्या?
हाँ, हमारे घर में भी वैसा ही होता है. हम भी वैसे वैसे करके ही यूज करते हैं.
Miss World winner Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. Many present generation girls want to become beauty queen. What kind of special skills they should have?
Thank you, Yashashwini. Beautiness of a woman cannot be measured by any measurement scale. A woman's heart is as deep as ocean. Every woman has a special skill to become something great in the society.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Aishwarya Rai Bachchan ma'am, you have title. She is most beautiful woman in world. And also you are attractive, pretty, stunning and charming. Also you are the queen of Cannes Film Festival in France. How do you feel?
Thank you, Adishi, for appreciating me. Beauty and grace go hand to hand.
Thank you ma'am.
Shalini ma'am is also known as Lightning Queen of IQ. She has the highest and youngest IQ of 225. So let's welcome with great enthusiasm Shalini ma'am, escorted by its
Ladies and gentlemen, now you are hearing to world's fastest IQ queen, Vishalini ma'am. Many people call you lightning speed, queen of IQ, and you are youngest person to receive computing certifications, keynote speaker at many conferences. Vishalini ma'am also holds the highest and youngest IQ speed at a rate of 225 and among the top 3 in the world. Ma'am, what makes you so perfect and what is the secret mantra?
At first, thank you for your appreciation. Living in a small town, Tirunelveli, and to set big goals was not easy. I was born a premature baby, my parents supported me, and they believed in impossible. During my school days, class 1 and 2, I got the opportunity of double promotion. I delivered keynote speeches including Google India Summit at 2015.
I just want to test your IQ, ma'am. Can you please tell me a sentence with all vowels in it?
I ape you. It means I copy you.
I even heard your speech on artificial intelligence, AI. The nation wants to know, ma'am, and also our bright ears.
When I was 15 years old, I delivered a lecture on big data and artificial intelligence at the ISRO headquarters in Bengaluru.
Ladies and gentlemen, now let us give her a big round of applause. Over 700 scientists listened to world's fastest and youngest IQ queen, Vishalini. Congratulations to you, ma'am, for your intense dedication. I even heard about your ISRO satellite project.
Yes, I undertook a project for ISRO and completed it successfully in just 35 days. My project was named ISRO Satellite Center, Vishalini's Network Management System.
Ladies and gentlemen, now let us have IQ test with world's fastest and youngest IQ queen. Ma'am, since Christmas, since Vanya's birthday, every birthday, their parents invest as many coins as his age. So, there are 21 coins in the bag. So, how many years is he now?
6 years.
Ma'am, can you please elaborate it to us because our IQ level compared to you is 0.
On first birthday, he deposited 1 coin. And second birthday, he deposited 2 coins. The previous 1 coin plus 2 coins is 3 coins. By going on doing this process, the deposited coins on 6th birthday will be 21.
Now let's have a birthday logical question. So, the day before yesterday, Susie was 17 years old. And the next day, she will be 20. So, what day is her birthday?
December 31. We are speaking on Jan 1st, was her 18th birthday. She is turning 19th on the last day of this year. And she is turning 20 on the last day of next year.
That's impressive and interesting, ma'am. I even heard your parents were given a lots of advice about you. The nation wants to know, ma'am.
My parents came to know about my IQ when I was just 3.5 years old. Clinical psychologists who assist me advised my parents to take special care about me and told them that I was like a knife and that knife should be used either for cutting a cake or a head.
I even heard your parents were not told to keep servants at your house to prevent any bad influence on you. Ma'am, let's have a maths logical question. So I will give you some numbers. 79511, 715, 415, 13811.
10.
So ma'am, now we are going to have an interesting question. How much is half of 2 plus 2?
Half of 2 is 1 and 1 plus 2 is 3. So the answer is 3.
That's interesting, ma'am. Arrange the words in the sequence. Police, punishment, crime, judge, judgment.
Crime, police, judge, judgment, punishment.
According to your logic and IQ, ma'am, can you please tell why did the Titanic, an unskippable ship, sank on April 15, 1912?
I think the Titanic collided with an iceberg, causing extensive damage, leading to flooding inside the massive ship. And it is directly related to Newton's third law of motion.
One last question, ma'am. What is an IQ? Can you please explain it?
An IQ is a metric individuals to solve their reasoning and quantifying skills.
Any questions from audience?
Madam, this is Anshika, Miss Vishalini. Who has the best IQ in the universe? Sir Isaac Newton or Albert Einstein? May I know this?
I think when it's come to IQ, I can beat both of them. Because Newton's IQ is 200 and Einstein's IQ is 160. And I'm far more superior than that.
Thank you. And K. Vishalini madam, I'm a big fan of your IQ. How to improve my IQ?
Read, solve puzzles, eat healthy, sleep well, learn new skills, and practice mindfulness.
Thank you.
Thank you. Isha Ambani is an Indian businesswoman, cultural leader and philanthropist. As the daughter of Mukesh and Neeta Ambani, she plays a key role in the leadership of Reliance Industries. She is a modern leader. She is also shaping the future of Indian business and culture. So join your hands and welcome Isha Ambani, escorted by Shikha.
Reliance Jio Infocom and Reliance Retail. And ma'am, you hold double major in psychology and an MBA from Stanford University. One of the most successful businesswomen and richest women and an billionaire and born in one of the most prestigious and wealthier families in India. So, ma'am, how do you feel after achieving these great heights of success?
Thank you and appreciating you. I think I'm blessed to be second youngest billionaire since my father Mukesh Ambani is the chairman of Reliance Industries while my mother Neeta Ambani is the founder of Reliance Foundation. I think I love challenges and help people without fear. I believe when women take the lead, we can turn seemingly impossible challenges into possible outcomes.
It's really great. You all do this with courage and dedication. Ma'am, what is your saying in women entering into business world?
I strongly feel more women must enter the fields of technology, science, mathematics and engineering, apart from career in technology. I also believe young girls to accept challenge themselves to be change makers.
That's very true. How do you balance among these families, friends, entertainment, business and media gear? How do you make this impossible to possible?
I think I'm God gifted and my passion towards my hard work. I feel every single person has a phenomenal ability and you have to believe in yourself before other believes in you. And that's my success mantra.
I even hear that you are a tomboy. What is that?
Yeah, I'm the only girl with 4 boys and by difficult I had to survive naughty.
What can be the favorite color, food and singer of one of the most successful businesswomen?
That's cool, I'll answer that. I'm a full-time businesswoman and I don't have any particular color but I do like pink, gold and ivory. Regarding food, I'm a vegetarian. I like to eat vada pav, mashed potatoes, french fries and Maggi noodles. I love to listen to Beyonce and I'll be on Instagram only for entertainment.
Ma'am, you are Icon of the Year awarded at Harper's Bazaar Women of the Year Awards 2024. Most dedicated businesswoman. Ma'am, what more you want to achieve?
I think I like innovation and expansion. And I'm extremely ambitious to launch Geo World Plaza.
Isha ma'am, your house is known as Gulita in Wali. Estimated the worth around rupees 452 crores and estimated the net worth around rupees 100 millions. And you own assets rupees 800 crores. So what a luxury you have.
I have luxury cars including Bentley, Rolls-Royce, Range Rover and private jets and helicopters. Over 150 vehicles house garage.
What is your secret ma'am?
I'm a simple businesswoman and I enjoy Gujarati food and engages in fitness like yoga, gymming, piloting and hula hooping.
Ma'am Isha Ambani, in this information of faith, how to be ready to embrace the change in the business world?
In the journey of business, the most and powerful thing is self-belief and the ability to do something in this fast-changing world. सफलता उन्हीं को मिलती है जो अपने लक्ष्य के प्रति ईमानदार होती है.
Any questions from audience?
Money. A business entrepreneur. Do you have any friend in Bollywood? And how can you handle a massive business, Reliance Industries Limited?
Our family is very close to Bachchan's Parivar and I have oldest friend Kiara Advani. Regarding business, handling Reliance Industries, I focus on understanding the needs of consumer and that's my key part of approach.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Smriti Mandhana is one of the brightest stars in Indian women's cricket. She is the first Indian to score 10 ODI centuries. She is the first Indian to score 10 ODI centuries. She is a game changer in women's cricket. So ladies and gentlemen, join your hands to welcome Smriti Mandhana, escorted by Aarti.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am sitting with the queen of women's cricket, Smriti Mandhana. Ma'am, tell me other than cricket, which sports do you like?
I enjoy football
what is your favorite food, color, cinema and songs?
I like sweet bell, Maggi, seasonal vegetables and salads. My favorite color is blue. I like Three Idiots and Krish. I like to listen Arjit Singh songs.
So, thank you Smriti Mandana, the current Vice Captain of Indian Women's Cricket and the Captain of Royal Challengers Bengaluru RCB.
Thank you.
Today with us we have Subramaniam Jaishankar, is an Indian politician, author and retired diplomat of Indian Foreign Service, who is serving as the 30th Minister of External Affairs of the Government of India since 31st May. So let us welcome Subramaniam Jaishankar, escorted by Anshuman.
Now I am going to sit with Acting External Affairs Minister Aditya as Mr. S. Jaishankar. How do you see the fate
and a bloody standoff took place at Galwan Valley? Third, Chinese forces entered the line along the friction point LAC, line of actual control. The Chinese entered the LAC with the knowledge to extend their region, which the Chinese always do.
Could you please elaborate number of death both sides?
Around 20 Indian soldiers were killed, and I think the number of Chinese PLA deaths would be more. We have of course faced multiple wars in Pangok Lake, Tibet Autonomous Region, and the 3,488 kilometer border, which is not very clear. And that's all.
How do you see India emerging as third most powerful country, and how our Indian troops are ready for multiple threats of war from China, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and Pakistan?
We have learned from multiple wars with our neighbor countries. I can say with pride that we have the world's strongest defense, world's strongest army, world's strongest navy, and world's strongest air force. And the relationships with other countries, we have enjoyed close bilateral relationships with Russia, and we are active member of Quad, which includes Japan, Australia, India, for security aid and disaster relief.
How do you face the challenges that our country faces with the rising tension of Russia and Ukraine?
India follows few principles: mutual respect, mutual benefit, and peaceful coexistence. We are actively taking all steps to end the war between Russia and Ukraine.
Is India ready for clashes and wars in future?
India as a nation and its armed force, we are always ready. We'll dominate whether it's cyber war or star wars. And Indian army is considered among very best in high altitude and mountain warfare combats. And to remind you, Indian troop is the biggest contributor to the UN peacekeeping forces.
Why Chinese PLA enters in our LAC and claims it's their region? Why don't we teach them a lesson? चाइनीज ऐसा क्यों करता है? हम उन्हें हर बार मुंह तोड़ जवाब देते हैं, फिर भी वो अपना मुंह उठा के क्यों आते? The nation wants to know.
We taught them many lessons, but the only thing the Chinese don't want to learn. But our next chapter will be the last for them. देखो, चाइना ना एक बहुत गंदी चाल चलता है. LAC लाइन है, वो चाइनीज PLA 2 कदम आगे आएंगे और जब हम उनको कहेंगे कि आप लाइन के बाहर आ रहे हो, तो 1 कदम पीछे चल जाएंगे. इससे उन्होंने 1000 किलोमीटर स्क्वायर का एरिया अपने पास रख लिया. तो अब हमने इसको काउंटर करने के लिए हम 4 कदम पीछे जाते हैं और जब वो कुछ कहते हैं हम 2 कदम पीछे आते हैं. ईट कलवा पत्थर से, क्योंकि इंडिया में अगर घी सीधी उंगली से ना निकले तो उंगली को टेढ़ी करनी चाहिए. That's all.
That was clear. Any question from audience?
Sir, this is Anshika. Mr. S. Shankar sir, you said Russia is our friend and USA is our brother. When the war comes with China, why don't Russia support India?
That's a very interesting question. My answer to your question is, if China accepts Russia as a brother, we accept America as our brothers. And when it comes to war with China, United States of America supports us.
Thank you, sir. Hi, S. Shankar sir. This is Manisha. S. Shankar sir, एक सवाल पूछूंगी. इसका सीधा सीधा जवाब दीजिएगा. 4 दिन पहले बेलगाम में टेरर अटैक हुआ था, जिसमें 47 किल मार दिए गए थे.
मनीषा, ऐसा है कि हम आतंकवाद को उसी की भाषा में जवाब देंगे. हम बहुत सह चुके हैं. अब हम और अटैक नहीं सहेंगे. अब हम उन पे खुला हमला करेंगे और मैं तुम्हें फर्दर रिवील नहीं कर सकता हूँ.
Thank you, S. Shankar sir.
The Pahalgam attack, a brutal terror attack. I know you will definitely punish the terrorists behind this attack. Mr. S. Jaishankar, आप एक को मारो या 5 टेररिस्ट को मारो, ये लोग फिर से अपने टेररिस्ट लॉन्ग पैड से एक्टिव हो जाएंगे. This attack will happen again and again. Why don't we have permanent solution to this? Who cross the border and kill our civilians?
Akshitchari, Pahalgam, Puri and other nations in Jammu and Kashmir are very difficult to protect, but it does not imply that we can't protect. We'll attack the terror campus unimaginably, and we can't explain you further because it's a top secret. And जैसा तुमने कहा कि हम एक को मारते हैं तो 5 और आ जाते हैं, ये बार हम एक को मारेंगे और बाकी 10 नहीं आएंगे, 10 डर के भाग जाएंगे.
Has won over 24 international titles. She is the only Indian to has win every medal in BWF major. She is also known as the Queen of Badminton. Let's welcome the Queen of Badminton, escorted by Tejaswi.
Restaurant business, sanitary pads and outfitting, 2 outlets in Hyderabad. After Jolly and Bros, oh, it's amazing, and issue a top women business icon. I also invested Hyderabad clothing brand Kaira. क्या clothing brand Kaira भी आपका brand है? हाँ, clothing brand Kaira मेरा ही है. You have made Hyderabad your destination. What is great about this city and people? Since Hyderabad gave me everything, the people of Hyderabad are very friendly and the city is full of fun. And the Hyderabadi biryani and Irani chai is very famous in Hyderabad.
You are a Haryana girl. How did you settle in the Hyderabad? Can you share the journey of Haryana to Hyderabad?
Of course, I was born in Hisar, Haryana, but my family shifted to Hyderabad. There I completed my diploma from St. Anna's College.
दुनिया को तो पता है, पर दुनिया को ये भी जानना है कि आपको क्या पसंद है.
आलू का परोठा मुझे बहुत पसंद है. Generally, I like to take roti, pulses and curd. Generally, I take protein like fish, eggs, chicken and curd.
ऐसा कोई कलर, ऐसा कोई ड्रेस, ऐसा कोई पिक्चर, ऐसा कोई सॉन्ग जो आपको बहुत पसंद है.
Yellow मेरा favorite color है. I
and I like ethnic dresses like kurtis, traditional Indian outfits. I am a big fan of Shah Rukh Khan and my favorite movie is DDLJ, Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, and I am a huge fan of Yuvraj Singh and Arjit Singh.
Thank you, Saina Nehwal ji, first Indian woman to win Olympic medal. God bless you, Steffi Saina, and she is great fan of Steffi Graf. Any questions from audience? Saina Nehwal ji, you won 24 international titles. How did you chase your dream to become international badminton player? Thank you.
Philosophy is the best. If I play well, people appreciate me. If I don't play, people encourage me. वो कहते हैं कि हार के बाद ही जीत है. When I started playing, my mother had faith me that I am going to win an Olympic one day. Once again, thank you, my little Nainka. I started playing at the age of 8, and my mother's dream I wanted to fulfill. Thank you.
Amitabh Bachchan is a legendary Indian film actor, film producer, television host, and former politician, often referred as the Shahanshah of Bollywood and angry young man of cinema. One of the most respectable figure in the film industry. Angry young man से शहंशाह तक का सफर हर मोड़ पर लिखा है उन्होंने नया मुकद्दर. न केवल अभिनेता बल्कि प्रेरणा की मिसाल है. उनका होना ही हमारे बॉलीवुड का सबसे बड़ा कमाल है. चलिए स्वागत करते हैं हमारे शहंशाह ऑफ बॉलीवुड एंड एंग्री यंग मैन अमिताभ बच्चन, एस्कॉर्टेड बाय पुष्कर.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am sitting with the Shahanshah of Bollywood, also known as Big B, the angry young man and the star of the millennium. And also your father was one of the greatest poets in India, Sri Harivansh Rai Bachchan. And I can even quote one of the French director, Francois, who gave you the title One Man Industry. Sir, how do you feel winner when you have so many titles on your accolades?
आदर, आदाब, अभिनंदन, आभार. देवियों और सज्जनों, आप सबको अमिताभ बच्चन का नमस्कार. Thank you, Pushkar, for appreciating me with so many titles. I am like ordinary person who works hard for his family like everybody does.
बॉलीवुड का सफर कैसे शुरू हुआ? मिस्टर बच्चन, the nation wants to know, and which film gave you the break and you were titled the Young Man Industry?
Before acting, I worked as a business executive at Kolkata. I had some theatre experience, so I got an opportunity in 1969. South Hindustani was my debut movie. Before my breakthrough in 1973, Zanjeer, I had experienced 11 consecutive flops. The commendation of Javed Salim gave me the breakthrough.
मिस्टर बच्चन, पूरी दुनिया जानना चाहती है कि क्या हुआ था ड्यूरिंग कूली मूवी शूटिंग. We heard that you were seriously injured on that day. क्या हुआ था उस दिन?
In 1982, I was shooting for a fighting scene in a movie named Coolie, directed by Manmohan Desai. There, I got a fatal blow in my guts by my co-star Puneet Issar.
A question I would like to add that you were bleeding from multiple places from your guts and you went in coma. हमें इसके बारे में कुछ बताइए मिस्टर बच्चन.
Yes, that's true. Actually, जब हुआ क्या था कि जो पहला पंच था पुनीत ईसर का, वो मेरे गट्स को आके लगा. और दूसरा, जब मैंने टेबल पर रोल किया तो वो टेबल का कोना मेरे सर पे लगा. सब लोग तालियां बजाने लगे कि मैंने बहुत अच्छी एक्टिंग करी, लेकिन मैं उठा ही नहीं. Then I was shifted to St. Philomena Hospital in Bangalore, and from there again I was shifted to Breach Candy Hospital in Mumbai. There immediate surgery was done and 60 units of blood transfusion was done.
Yeah, this was one of the worst injury in film industry, and I heard that One of the unit was infected by hepatitis B, which infected your liver and damaged it 75%. And I even heard that millions of prayers were done for your safe and healthy life. मिस्टर बच्चन, हर मंदिर में आपके लिए पूजा की जा रही थी, हर मस्जिद में आपके लिए दुआएं मांगी जा रही थी, और हर गुरुद्वारा में एंड स्पेशल प्रेयर्स वे डन इन चर्चेस फॉर यू। इसीलिए तो आपको सदी का महानायक कहा जाता है मिस्टर बच्चन।
जी जी धन्यवाद।
हमने सुना है कि इस घटना के बाद आपसे मिलने हजारों लोग हर रविवार को शाम को आते थे जलसा में।
जी हाँ, आपने सही सुना है। ये एक प्रथा बन गई थी। 1982 के बाद हजारों लोग मुझसे मिलने मेरे घर आते थे और ये अब भी चल रहा है। हर रविवार लोग मुझसे मिलने आते हैं।
मिस्टर बच्चन, हम आपसे एक डायलॉग सुनना चाहते हैं शहंशाह मूवी का।
जी हाँ बिल्कुल। रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप होते हैं और नाम है शहंशाह।
That's great. You have a cinematic career spanning over 5 decades and playing lead role in over 200 films. It is also great to hear that you were awarded Dada Saheb Phalke Award, 16 Filmfare Award, 11 Screen Award, 4 National Film Award, Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, and you were also gifted top 25 Asian actors of all time. So once again, how do you feel and how do you react when you have so many titles on your list?
I have failed many times in my life. My determination and my patience taught me how to handle success and how to face rejections. In my initial stages of my career, I faced criticism against my height and my voice.
आखिर में एक कविता हो जाए। We all want to listen a poem on success from you.
एक कविता है जो कि मेरे बापूजी श्री हरिवंश राय बच्चन ने लिखी थी, उसी की कुछ लाइनें सुनाता हूँ। नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ती दीवार पर 100 बार फिसलती है। मन का विश्वास साहस रगों में भरता है, गिरकर चढ़ना चढ़कर गिरना ना अखरता है। आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं जाती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती।
Any questions?
Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, आनंद बॉम्बे टू गोवा जाकर डॉन बन गया। May I know बच्चन, सिनेमा इंडस्ट्री में डॉन बनने का सफर how hard it was?
थैंक यू योशिता साहब फॉर अप्रिशिएटिंग मी। एक बात याद रखना, डॉन को पकड़ने 11 मुल्कों की पुलिस उसके पीछे पड़ी है, लेकिन डॉन को पकड़ना मुश्किल ही नहीं, नामुमकिन है। You know, I was rejected for the post of All India Radio, 11 to 12 continuous flops, and in my initial stages of my cinematic career, majority of the actors rejected to shake hand with me since I was too tall and I had a baritone voice.
Thank you, Mr. Bachchan.
So ये थे हमारे सदी के महानायक। Thank you sir.
Now I call our correspondent Shri Vinod Yadav sir, Honorable Vinod Yadav sir.
So, first of all, a big round of applause for all the participants. I think they deserve more. So, how was the performance, children? How was the performance? Super से ऊपर, isn't it? Was it? So super claps. Right. So first of all, a big round of applause and super claps to Mr. Prabhu sir. Come here, Prabhu sir. So Prabhu sir, a standing ovation. Yeah. But you did it, sir. So every program, whatever he touched, that is with the Midas touch. So whatever he touches, that's excellent. And also he gets सबसे ज़्यादा गालियाँ. Teachers get disturbed. पिल्लर मल्ली पंपी अला class बैठी. Professor ने they get irritated, isn't it? Yes sir, all right, teachers, all teachers. Yes. You get irritated? Yes, you know, I know. Hey, Prabhakar sir, Nagarjun sir, Satish sir, Muniappa sir, all high school staff, Dhananjay sir. Yes. So really our teachers are very honest, they agree. But whatever is done, first of all, we'd like to say all the teachers that please चदू याद रहे बेकड़े ना नेचकोच पढ़ाई कहीं भी पढ़ सकते हैं पर पढ़ने के लिए आजकल गूगल है वीडियोस है बुक्स है but what the bright is teaching what the work we are doing I am very confident that one day my students इन्हीं में से इकड़ उन लोगों ने they will be in आज तक Zee News or ETV, NTV, TV9 whatever the news channel you name, you know, the aura, the confidence which they were interviewing. So not only the actors, okay, so the actors were given the name, the last one, Amitabh Bachchan, you know, Siddharth was exceptional, but Siddharth se zyada confident was Pushkar. So give a big round of applause for that. So not only the actors, all the anchors who are hosting the show, they were simply super. So everyone did wonderful job, and my dear children, I am proud of you. Right? I am proud of you. So with this sweet note, with this program, we close this academic year. So this is the last program of our academic year. So give a big round of applause to all your teachers. All the teachers right from nursery to 10th class. Okay, they send their children to Mr. Prabhu sir. So దానికి కూడా ధన్యవాదములు. So future లో కూడా మనం ఇలాంటి ఇంకో ఎన్నో యాక్టివిటీస్. So you have seen before last year we had parliament, youth parliament. It was a super success. Then last year we had a G20. So it was also a mega program. And this year, Showcase of Stars. It was a Grammy Award. Simply super. What we see in the TVs, the TV shows, you might have seen many shows. Coffee with Karan, Kapil Sharma show. और क्या है? Balaya. What is that show? Unbeatable Balaya na? Unstoppable with Balaya. So అలాగా మనం ఇన్ని ప్రోగ్రామ్ చేసి every program has done, and I am very proud that మైక్ పట్టుకుంటే మా పిల్లలు ఏ రాజకీయ నాయకులు కూడా మాట్లాడలేరు ఫ్యూచర్లో. So very good. So children, respect your parents, respect your teachers, respect the society. Okay, and the only message I want to give is that जिंदगी में इतना काबिल बनो कि लोग आपके पीछे घूमें. Right? Thank you once again, one and all. And I also thank the wonderful parents. Some of you are here. So thank you, sirs and madams. You have pillalu programs undaniki vacharu. So the only thing what I would like to from you, if you really like our school, మీ పిల్లలు బాగా చదువుతున్నారు, మంచిగా ఉన్నారు అంటే you please, this year we are in the expansion. చూసిరు కదా మనం ఒక బిల్డింగ్ నుంచి 2 నుంచి 3 నుంచి 4 కాంప్లెక్స్ కట్టినప్పుడు. సో ఇవన్నీ ఖర్చు వెళ్ళాలంటే we need the students, and I hope the parents will support from your end. Thank you. జయశంకర్, you know, ఆయన అందరు క్లాప్స్ కొట్టాలి. రియల్ జయశంకర్ ఎలా ఉంటారు దానిపై డెఫినేషన్. ఓకే, సో ఇది పాకిస్తాన్. ఓకే,
definitely attack.